In the last 3 years, I have learned this very interesting thing that there are two ways to actually learn something. The first is through experience, and second is through conversation. Learning through experience is sometimes very painful, and so a better way to learn is through conversation. And conversation with the right people teaches so much. The problem is that these conversations these happen only when I am traveling or when I'm meeting somebody new, especially for something else, not to learn something or not to get in a conversation with. It's very random, and it happens very infrequently compared to how frequently I would want it. So just to open my scope of things and just to open the scope of things for my team and for the team of the other person and for everybody else as well, I thought that there are some very interesting founders and there's some very interesting people in my network, which are people who are not famous. These are not hot shots. These are not very, very big entrepreneurs. And these are not the Nikhil Kamats. Of course, that's a very, very different thing. But these are people who have been working relentlessly for years and years and years. And I wanted to get in a conversation with them, purely not promotional conversation, to understand how certain things work. Now, what that means essentially is that it's going to be a 20 minutes to 2 hour long conversation, recorded, absolutely uncut, put up on all social medias, on my handles at least. This is going to be completely different from Medoc. It's going to be completely different from what we've been doing. No agenda except for the fact that we are looking to learn through conversation. And probably some of you will be able to learn something from me. Maybe they'll be able to learn something from the other person, more from the other person, because every one of these entrepreneurs is very much senior to me. The purpose is simple. It's to create a distribution while being able to learn things from these people who I have talked to before, but never in the pretext or context of just having a conversation. So let's see where this goes. I'm not really expecting a lot of reach, to be very honest. I am expecting only one thing, and that is absolutely great discussion on random topics which are not about my company or their company. Discussion around absolutely random things, maybe even coming up with ideas which you can execute on. So that's the idea. Let's see how this executes and how we can run this entire thing and how consistent we can be around it. So I have some 10-12 people who will be great on the other end of the chair. Looking for more people, obviously, and at the same time, matching dates, matching times. Let's see how this goes. This is going to be exciting, even if a normal discussion with these people. And again, not for each, so you might want to tune in, you might not want to tune in. I am going to promote it just like I would normally and in my own reach. So yeah, you would see that coming up a lot more.